project, and we're a nonprofit that creates jobs in developing countries. We are so honored to partner with HeadCase on this project because you'll be supporting entrepreneurs in Kenya by helping farmers gain access to irrigation. We are so excited to partner on the white headphone, and we hope you purchase it. Thanks. Bye.
My name is Anne Mutonga. I'm married. I have only one child, and I love God for him. I'm just a farmer. I decided to buy a water money maker pump, and surely it has really helped me. Before, I was just planting my plant, then I was unable to water them because there is a time I do feel so tired. So to carry a bucket, it was so hard for me. But now I just did a pump and water go everywhere. Before I was just planting for my commercial use, but now I do even sell. It has really helped me because the time I do sell them, I got money, and I do even pay my school fees, my child's school fees, or I buy something else. Surely I'm not like before. My lifestyle have changed. Before I was even poorer, but now I do feel I'm somebody.